The following segment is sponsored by Ferrero North America.
We'll kick off the holidays by indulging your sweet tooth on National Cookie Day. Krista Torres is here to sweeten the holiday season with her favorite cookie recipes and pairings. Welcome, Krista. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. Well, today might just be my favorite day because I'm a big fan of cookies, and I want to hear how you're celebrating National Cookie Day.
Yeah, I always like to say that National Cookie Day is the unofficial way to kick off the holiday season, and we are doing so with these delicious cookies from Ferrero.
Love it. Well, let's talk about some of your personal favorite ways to sweeten the holidays with cookies, because I'm a big fan, as I said over here.
Yeah, so I've got a really great idea if you are hosting any type of gathering this holiday season, because we've all heard of charcuterie boards, but have you heard of a cookie board?
What?
These are really fun and really delicious. I have completed mine this year with pecan sandies, EL fudge double stuffed cookies, and then the classic fudge striped. And I also like to go in with some fresh fruit to balance things out. It's a really delicious, beautiful spread. People love it, and they get to try a lot of different types of cookies.
I love that idea. I'd never heard of that, but that is just so cute. You're blowing my mind over here. Okay, how can we share our favorite tasty treats with friends and family?
Yeah, so if you're looking for a really easy but really delicious idea, I always tell people that you can make a classic sugar cookie, cut it out in your favorite holiday shapes, frost them, but then top them with a frosted Mother's Circus animal cookie. These are frosted dipped animal cookies with sprinkles. They add a pop of color. They're really delicious, and they're just a fun way to complete a classic holiday cookie.
Look how cute that is. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Well, you have so many good ideas. Where can we go for more information?
Yeah, I like to tell people if you're looking for more ideas, like possibly doing a cookie pairing. Over here I have some hot chocolate with some famous Amos Belgian chocolate chip cookies. You can do a fun pairing like that, or gift a royal Danish butter cookie tin. You can go to ferreronorthamerica.com, or you can follow any one of these cookie brands on social media.
Amazing. Well, you're just making my day. Krista, it's so great to have you on. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, and happy Cookie Day.
You too.